In this lesson, we will explore the second component of the results framework: environment. This is the context layer of your prompt, and it is one of the most important elements for getting consistent, accurate results from AI. Environment refers to everything the model needs to know before it begins the task. Without context, the model is forced to guess, and when the model guesses, your results become unpredictable or misaligned with what you intended. Environment includes several parts. Let's walk through them. The first is background. Background answers the question, what does the model need to understand before it can do the task correctly? This may include information about the organization, the project, the product, the client, or the problem being solved. Background gives the model orientation, helping it know where the work fits in the bigger picture. The second component is purpose. Purpose explains why you are asking for this deliverable. When the model understands your goal, it shifts the output toward that goal. For example, a blog post written to attract new clients will look very different from one written to educate current customers. Purpose sets the intention behind the task. Point. Next is audience. Who is this for? What do they know? What do they not know? What matters to them? Audience changes everything: tone, depth, vocabulary, length, and style. The more precisely you define the audience, the more aligned the output becomes. Then we have scope. Scope tells the model what is included and what is not. It keeps the response from wandering into irrelevant territory. Scope can define timeframes, topics, boundaries, or specific angles you want the model to focus on. Think of scope as the guardrails that keep the task on track. Point. Finally, examples of desired style. This is where you show the model how the output should sound or look. Examples are powerful because AI learns from patterns. When you give it a sample style, tone, or structure, you dramatically increase the accuracy of the final result. Point. Even a short example can elevate the quality of the output. When you combine background, purpose, audience, scope, and examples, you create an environment that fully supports the task. The model understands not only what to do, but how to do it, who it is for, and why it matters. Now, let's move into the activity for this lesson. You will take a business scenario and turn it into a clean environment section. Start by choosing a simple scenario, such as preparing a presentation, drafting a client update, creating a marketing asset, or writing internal documentation. Then break it down using the 5 environment components. What background does the model need? What is the purpose of the task? Who is the audience? What is the scope? And what example or style reference could guide the output? Once you complete this, you'll have a fully developed environment section that can be inserted into a larger results prompt. By the end of this lesson, you should feel comfortable constructing clear, professional context that eliminates guesswork and improves the quality of every AI interaction.